All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today we're going to be answering the question, what is Google AdSense? So Google AdSense is the advertising program by Google where publishers or website owners, YouTube creators can actually put ad code directly on their website, and Google AdSense will fill that ad space and try to pick out, as you can see here, the right ads for your audience. So rather than you trying to sell your ad space on your website, you can see an example ad up here. So a recipe website, rather than trying to sell your own ad space, you actually just work with Google AdSense. You create an account, you sign up. You can sign up right with your Google account. And once you're confirmed, all you do is add the advertising code directly to your website, or you use it on your YouTube videos and you're able to monetize your content. So when people go to your website, when people watch your videos, you're actually able to make money from the people that are visiting your website. And you don't have to worry about any of the heavy lifting in terms of selling ad space or anything like that. Google AdSense does all the heavy lifting for you. So who should use Google AdSense? So website owners or YouTube creators should definitely be using Google AdSense. We have an example here. So we own this website, beachfrontdecor.com. This is an AdSense ad right at the top here. So rather than us trying to work with advertisers and trying to fill the ad space, Google AdSense just fills it for us. If you click on it, you can see ad choices up here at the top. If you scroll down to the bottom of the article, this is another ad here, and then also this ad at the bottom. So these are both ads, Google AdSense, and Google fills this ad space. So you can see powered by Google right up here. So this is an ad by House, this is an ad by Wayfair, and this is an ad by Lightology. And you can tell it's a beach decor related website. So they're serving very, very targeted ads that are going to reach people who are more likely to click them. Now where? So ads are going to show on your website wherever you put ad code. So over here we have an Amazon Prime code. So if we were to switch that out with Google AdSense code, then that ad would show on our website. So this ad is here underneath our article because we decided to put ad code here at the bottom and put this exact ad unit here in addition to this one below it. So this is an entire ad. This is a matched unit ad, matched content. And this one down here is just your standard banner responsive display ad. So Google AdSense is going to fill this with whoever this works for the most. So you're going to see different ads than I do because Google AdSense is constantly pulling user data and trying to figure out how to best serve ads to give people the best user experience possible. So really, it's a win-win for everybody because website owners don't have to worry about all the heavy lifting involved with making money from advertising, and Google AdSense can actually serve ads to people that they know are more likely to click them. So why use Google AdSense? So it's really one of the easiest ways to monetize your website. They have this will kind of go into the why and how. So all you really do is select the type of ad you want on your website. So text and display ads, text ads, link units, rich media ads. They have a lot of different ad formats, and they're actually continuously releasing them, so they keep changing. And all you do is you put where your ads want to be. So maybe you want to put it at the top of your content and to the side of your content. So everything else is around here. You watch the highest paying ads go live. So rather than you working with this moped company and this, Perfect Kiss company and this Jazz Nightly company, all these advertisers are using Google AdWords to target their ads, and they actually auction off your ad space, and the advertisers are fighting to get your ad space, and it's going to be the highest paying ads. So very, very complex, but they use a whole system with ad rank where they're serving up ads that are going to be the highest paying. So that means you get the most money and also most targeted towards your users. And last but not least, leave the money stuff to us. So every time someone clicks on your ad for Google, so someone sees your ad, they click on it, you get paid. They keep track of all your money. They keep track of all your billing. You'll get a check at the end of the month, or you could do direct deposit. So very, very simple. All you do is add it to your website. So we have it here right at the top of this article, nautical themed lamps. And right at the bottom of the article, we have another article or another ad space here. And this is a matched content ad from Google AdSense. So really, that's all you need to do is make sure you're driving traffic to your website. That's the number one thing. Drive traffic to your website, and then just have ad spaces and fill it with Google AdSense, and they'll do all the heavy lifting for you and can easily monetize your content. You don't have to worry about anything with advertising. You just have to worry about driving traffic to your pages so that people see your ads and click on them. And that's that. If you need more help with Google AdSense, if you're trying to figure out, some next steps, some helpful tips to increase earnings, we just published a video on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check that out. It'll help you kind of clear up some strategies and tips for growing your AdSense earnings. So thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about Google AdSense, make sure you leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.